I've been getting a lot of questions from readers and webinar participants around, do the discovery habits apply in my context? For example, I recently did a video about API products. I just did a video on Web3 products. I've tackled this question from a B2B standpoint, a B2C standpoint. Today, I'm going to talk about another context, and this one is replatforming teams. So if you work on a replatforming team, should you be using the discovery habits? I'm going to say yes, and here's why. The biggest mistake teams make when they replatform is they assume that they should have feature parity between their old platform and their new platform. Here's what's wrong with that. That means they're assuming every single thing that they built on their old platform was the right thing to build for their customers. I can tell you no team has had 100% hits, 100% success when deciding what to build. So by definition, not everything on your old platform needs to be rebuilt on your new platform. The challenge is, how do we know what we need to rebuild? This is where the discovery habits can come into play. A lot of people think about their outcome with replatforming as getting to feature parity. That's an output. How do we get to an outcome? What we really want is, how do we get our customers to move to the new platform? For those of us that have worked in environments where we have more than one tech stack because our customers weren't willing to move, it's kind of a nightmare. Or we forced our customers to move, and that's an even bigger nightmare, right? So really our outcome is we want a better tech stack that our customers are willing to use, which means we have to do discovery around what are they using today on our old platform, what's working for them, what's not working for them. How do we build as little as possible on our new platform while meeting all the needs of our current customers and setting ourselves up to be able to build for the future in a better way? Okay, this is a classic discovery problem. I would be interviewing my customers. I'd be looking at my analytics data. I'd be trying to understand what features are working and which ones aren't. I would be interviewing my customers to understand what needs are being met. Where are we falling short? What needs are we not addressing at all? And I would use my replatforming as an opportunity to build a smaller, better product. So if you're on a replatforming team, I strongly recommend you put the discovery habits into play. If you do work on a replatforming team and you've had some success with the discovery habits, please share your comments. Please share your best tips, your experience in the comments below, because I know a lot of people have this question, and I would love to share your stories.